Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Hey, it's 2021. Back with another video. Let's do this. What is going on, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. Woo! 2021! Woo! New year, and we're still back with some more videos. So today's quick video is going to be a short, quick unboxing of the 2020 iPad Air in green edition, which I got from my mom for Christmas. And I got her an iPhone 11 in green, you know, just to keep the concept matching and everything else. So I'm going to show you that real quick. But if you're new here, you like these type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe if you're new. And let's get to it. So, first things first, I got the green iPhone 11 from my mom. This is a 64 gigabytes. She got this for Christmas. You can see the box. You already seen. Fortunately, the phone's not in here because she's using it right now. So, but you know, you gotta take care of your family. You know, get everything else. Still get that. What else you get in the box? You get the little charger that nobody uses. Get the headphones still. So I thought they were going to change the box and, you know, remove the little charging cable, because I know on some of the newer models like the iPhone 11 Pro, if you could get one, the box, they removed the charging cable and everything. But I don't know, that's something else. So I can't show you the phone because my mom's using it. But you know, you see the color, iPhone green. There it is right there. Then I got her the 2020 iPad Air. You can see this is in green also. Keep the, you know, that green vibe. And I kept asking her, and you know, she was surprised when she got it, but I kept asking her like what color does she want, everything else. So let's open this up. Nice little hard cardboard. Got the iPad Air itself. She's already been using this too, so I try to, you know, make it look somewhat unboxing. But yeah, she opened this right away. Here's the green color iPad Air 2020 edition. I like the color. The color on this is fabulous. I mean, wow. You know, with the screen protector on it. Only difference is it has Touch ID and not Face ID for the iPad Air. Get into the unboxing. You get the, you know, Apple, got your charging cables and everything, USB-C, USB-C. Let's see, do you get green stickers? You get your little, you know, SIM card tray. Nope. Apple stickers are white. I got so many of these. How many of you guys have so many Apple stickers still in the box that you've been getting from all your iPhones and everything? Leave a comment down in the comment section below. Look at this green color iPad Air. It's super clean. You know, bring my mom to the ecosystem, get upgraded her iPhone 7. And I was like, no, I'm just get her an iPad too. So always take care of your family, take care of your folks. So now she loves it. She's been playing her games, watching YouTube videos on here so she can stop borrowing my iPad. You feel me? But if you want to see a comparison between the iPad Air, this is a 10.9-inch screen display versus the iPad Pro 11-inch. Leave a comment down below. Like this video, and I'll give you that, give you the differences, the similarities, and everything else. But hey, this is it right here. Just a little iPad Air unboxing. Just want to show you guys Happy New Year. You know, I haven't said that already, but we are in 2021. So stay safe, stay blessed. But if you did enjoy this video, like this video, subscribe if you're new. More videos is coming. Stay tuned for more Streamlabs videos. I will bring a comparison with the iPad Pro if you would like to see that. But that being said, if you did enjoy this video, it's your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV. iPad Air unboxing. Pretty clean. I like it. Like the colorway concept. Ooh, don't talk about it. Other than that, hope you did enjoy this video. It's your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV. And I'm signing out of here. Peace. God bless everybody.